I am speed. I'm faster than fast, quicker than quick. I am Golf GTI. Dude, stop that. That's really embarrassing. I am stop.
I just wanna
Can you see myself? Can you see myself? Can you see myself? See myself? Can you see myself?
Week with another unboxing. Welcome back, diecast fans. It's your boy DCS on another video, and this time we've got the Adventure Force diecast. So it's not just any other car we are handling right here, because this time it's from the hot hatches, and not just any hot hatch. Everybody loves this cars. There's no haters for this cars, guys, because this is the 2019 Volkswagen Golf GTI, the Mark 8 edition, which is such a cool car. I really like the coupe version because this four-door doesn't really suit it, so yeah, a little bit of hate right there. Anyways, this is actually the high-performance petrol version, but yeah, you can't exactly say that because this is the concept version. As you can see, it has such a large sunroof, which never actually came in the exact Golf GTI, the 2019 one. So yeah, first let's unbox this car and take a look at its details from Adventure Force. As I told, it's actually from Maisto, so yeah, its details are pretty damn nice, so we'll check them out, and also we'll talk about its specs. Yeah, let's see what's it hiding under the hood. We'll check them out, and before that, if you guys are new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button so that you don't miss out any of my unboxings, and also follow me on Instagram and Facebook to check this car in more detail. Not only this car, all these too. So yeah guys, don't worry, the links of this car will be in the description. So does these. Yeah, these cars links will be up right here, so check those videos and then purchase them. Alright then, first for the unboxing, here we go. Let's go for the first look of the Volkswagen Golf GTI, the 2019 version. So this is how it looks at the front end. You have the GTI logo imprinted right there, and also the Volkswagen logo right here. It looks pretty aggressive. That's what I like about the Volkswagen Golf GTIs, and the Mark 8 is very aggressive with these grills right here. It's so cool. That's what I like about it. And also you have got the side profile, which yeah, it looks like pretty much a regular Golf, but even the wheels look like the stock ones. I don't like these stock wheels. They're not so suitable for the aggressive front end. And the attention to detail on the headlamps is also pretty damn nice. Let me just zoom in to show you that. Yeah, that's so cool right there. So looking at the side profile, alright, you have the doors open, and this is how the interior of the car looks. Okay, so yeah, that's the interior. Pretty nice interior. I really like that. So yeah, leaving all those, you have with the doors open. This is how it looks with the doors open. That's really sick. I really like the side view mirrors because they're very sharp. So yeah, now at the rear of the car, pretty much good attention to detail. You have no nameplate right here, which I wished it had. You have dual exhausts. That's really cool. It really looks good in the images. And you have this large sunroof through which you can see the interior. Pretty nice. Alright, that's the overall look. Now let's hear its pullback. Pretty fast. Yes, now let's go for its specs. Let's see what's it got under the hood. And just one more thing, I forgot to show you at the bottom. It's written Volkswagen Golf GTI. This is a 1/38 scale car, and it's from Maisto. Alright, made in China. Ignoring that, let's go for the specs. We have come to the interesting part of this video, the specs of the 2019 Volkswagen Golf GTI from Adventure Force, and this is the Mark 8 version. Okay, talking about the top speed, let's start off with the most amazing thing. The top speed of this car is 153 miles per hour, which is 246 kilometers per hour. Not bad. Again, it's a really good high performance front wheel drive car. Going for the acceleration time, it's 6.8 seconds, which is seriously not bad. And talking about the horsepower, it's 228 brake horsepower, which is very cool. From which engine, you ask? Yes, the engine comes over here. So yeah, the most of these cars have the 2-liter inline-4, which is a TSI turbocharged dual overhead cam engine, but you can also get it in a 1-liter TSI inline-3 cylinder, which is also a turbo engine. So yeah, if your budget is kind of low, you can go for the inline 3. Going for the transmission, you have various options. 5 or a 6-speed manual, a 6 or a 7-speed DSG, and also there is an 8-speed automatic, which I don't know whether it's available in this thing. Well, that's the transmission. Now talking about the body style, which you guys already know, it's a 5-door hatchback. So that's the specs, guys, of this amazing hot hatch. So now what is left? Let me think. Okay, yeah, one more thing. This car is a front-wheel drive, as I mentioned earlier, and it's actually the high-performance petrol model car. So yeah, it's not the diesel one. So going for the ratings now, as we have taken a round look, out of a 10, I would like to give it a 9.5 because of its details, guys. Yes, it deserves a 9.5, but not a 10. Why? Because of its wheels. Yeah, the wheels were pretty terrible, so yeah, it doesn't get points for that. Anyways, that's the end of it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, hit that like button and hit the subscribe button if you guys are new. Also, comment your thoughts on this car and don't forget to check my description to purchase this car. I'll see you all next week. Stay tuned for more. DCS out. Bye bye. Enjoy your weekend. Thanks for watching and do subscribe.